Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log in to Monopoly Go with a different Facebook account. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. If you are already logged in with a Facebook account, tap the menu icon in the game, then select Settings. In the settings, look for the option that shows your connected Facebook account. Tap Disconnect or Log Out. The app will refresh and bring you back to the main screen without an account connected. Next, close the Monopoly Go app completely. Now open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and select Monopoly Go from the list. Tap Storage or Storage and Cache. Choose Clear Data and then Confirm. This removes the saved information from the previous account, so you can start fresh. Do not skip this step, as it prevents the game from automatically reconnecting to the old account. After clearing data, go back to your home screen and reopen Monopoly Go. The app will now load as if it is your first time playing. When prompted to connect an account, choose the option to log in with Facebook. A Facebook login screen will open. Enter the email and password for the new Facebook account you want to use. Tap Login and allow the game to connect. Wait a moment while Monopoly Go links to the new Facebook account. Once connected, your new progress or saved game tied to this Facebook profile will appear. Thanks for watching.